Hey guys, today I'm here with Yusuf, the owner of this Mercedes C63S convertible, but it's no longer just a C63 anymore. This has the Brabus 600 kit on it. So let's start at the beginning. Why did you choose this car? Why choose a C63 AMG? You told me you've had a couple Mercedes S-Class, you have a GLE and such. Why the C63?
Usually I drive a classic car like E-classes or S-Class.
A bigger sedan.
Right,
Okay.
right. And I wanted to change.
Okay.
So I wanted a sports car.
Yeah.
Then I went to the dealership. I saw this car and I like it. And the horsepower is more than 500.
Yes.
And the torque is amazing, 516
Yes.
at that time.
Yeah.
So I'm driving the car for a year now and I like it. And then I heard about the Brabus company. So I wanted to change.
Okay.
So I called them. I just heard about them, but I called them and they exist in the state.
Yes.
So I called them in California and they said there's a dealership in Ohio.
Okay.
And I called them and they bump up the power to almost 600.
Yes.
And the torque up to 600 foot of torque.
Yeah.
So I like it now. It's amazing car. And I like the sound.
Yes.
Hopefully I can drop the top down and
Yeah.
the guys hear the sound. But it's amazing.
And then you also wrapped it matte black.
That's
It
right.
looks
It was
evil.
a regular black and
Okay.
now it's a satin black.
Satin black finish. Yeah,
Right,
it looks really
right,
cool.
right.
Okay, so what would you say is your favorite thing about a Brabus 600? Is it the power? Your favorite thing about this car?
It is the power.
The power.
It is the power
Okay.
and the sound for sure.
Yeah, that 4-liter AMG sounds so good.
Right.
Is there anything you don't like about the car?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Really? You think it's
Everything,
perfect?
it is
You don't think it
perfect,
rides
right.
too hard? You love the transmission? Everything is
I
perfect?
mean, driving is a different drive from the
Yeah.
classic other cars.
Correct.
There's no doubt about that. I cannot take it to work every day,
Mhm.
but for fun,
Yeah.
it's amazing.
You love it.
It's amazing.
So how much faster does it feel with the Brabus kit? Can you seriously, I mean, it is almost 100 horsepower increase.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel it.
Okay.
I feel it.
Cool. Are you going to modify it anymore? You think you're happy because like the Brabus also offers the carbon fiber stuff
Right.
and they have an
Maybe
exhaust.
within the next year I will change the
Okay,
exhaust.
start doing that type of exhaust because
Maybe.
yeah, it already sounds so good stock. That's the
Right.
thing. Did you think about the other competitors, M4 or
I am
Audi
not
R?
a BMW guy.
Okay.
But for sure, Porsche, I was thinking about it.
Okay.
But it's a smaller
Oh
car.
look, Ferrari F12.
I know.
Oh, that's
it's
pretty.
It's an amazing car.
Yeah, 911s are smaller. Yeah.
Right, and I have 2 kids.
Yes.
And they fit here, so that's why I chose the C-Class.
Okay. Because they fit in the back. Did you
Right.
think about maybe an E63, a bigger one, like you? Because you're used to sedans.
Actually, I did order the E63S, and I waited for 9 months. But
What?
I didn't get the car. Yeah, there's some problem with the screen here.
Okay.
And then he told me they want the C63S.
Okay.
And I looked at the car because the E-Class, they will change the shape in a couple of years.
Yeah.
And I thought even if they change the C63S convertible shape,
Yeah.
still it will look cool.
Okay. So you're like, all right, I'll take the C63.
Right.
And you probably got to save a little bit of money too, and do
Right.
the Brabus kit.
Right.
Okay. And obviously,
Actually, with the Brabus kit, it's the same price.
oh, it ends up being the same price. But this might be faster. I don't know, because the E63 is all-wheel drive, so that's
Right.
going to be a big difference there.
Right.
Yeah.
But actually, the sound of the C63 is louder when you turn it on than the E63S.
Really?
I think because of the exhaust is smaller.
Okay.
This is what I was told.
Oh, okay.
But
a little more
it's fun
aggressive.
to drive. There's no doubt.
Okay. You're gonna track this car too, right?
I went to track
Yeah.
actually. This is second time.
Oh, okay, you already tracked it once before.
Right.
How was it?
It was amazing.
Was
actually,
that-
I went to the AMG Academy
Oh, yeah.
in Atlanta, and it was amazing.
Okay.
I tried the AMG GTR, JPS,
I'm jealous.
the SL63,
Okay.
the C63S Coupe, and the E63S for sure.
Okay.
And it was amazing.
Okay. That's really, so you get that with the purchase of a brand new AMG.
Right.
Do you, you pay for?
They give you 1 time free.
Oh wow, that's pretty
Right.
cool.
But
That's
if you want to go again,
Yeah.
obviously you have to pay.
Okay.
Actually, I will go again. It's nice.
Really? You
It's
think it was
nice.
worth it?
The track there is amazing.
Okay. And you
I-
get to drive somebody else's car. You don't have to
Right.
worry about your brakes and
Right.
tires or
Right.
anything. Okay.
Right.
So if I asked you, what is it like to own a C63 with the Brabus kit? Do you think the Brabus
It's
kit is
worth
worth
it 100%.
You think Brabus kit is worth the money?
Oh yeah.
Don't even bother. You
Oh,
take
yeah.
a stock one, make
And
it.
also the C63 is a unique car.
Yeah.
Now is even more unique.
That is
actually.
true. with the Brabus badges. Like,
Right.
have you?
You don't see it.
No, I don't think I've ever seen a Brabus on the road here.
I never.
No, yeah. Do people ask you, like, what does that mean? Like, what happened
Well,
to
I
Mercedes?
have the Brabus now for 10 days only.
Oh, yeah, you just got this back recently.
Right. So,
Yeah.
so we'll see.
Okay.
But for sure, my friend, I went to his house.
Yeah.
So he looked, I said, what's that? What's the B thing?
What is the B? That is not a Mercedes.
It's the beast.
Yeah,
What does it
the
mean?
beast. Yeah, this thing is very, very cool. It sounds awesome. It looks evil. The convertible top is nice. I mean, it's for you. You like
I love it.
Yeah.
The convertible one. I love it.
That's awesome. I'm glad you're enjoying it.
People, they will say it's better with the coupe, but no, I like this one.
Okay. I mean, that's why they make it. Oh, you've
Right.
got cooled seats too? That's not fair.
Yeah.
I don't have cooled
Cold
seats.
and
Yeah, I mean, the
you have
interior.
the cool thing here.
Yeah. Oh, the interior of this car is so. Mercedes is really, really doing great things with their interiors. You really don't have anything you don't like.
I like it 100%.
Okay.
But the new E-Class and the GLE with the big screens.
Yes.
It will look nice.
That
here.
interior is really nice too. That's
Right.
true. Yeah.
But whenever you buy a sport car like AMG or a Brabus, you don't look anywhere. You just listen to the sound.
Listen to the sound and how
That's
it
it.
drives. That
That's
is a good way to do it. Cool. Looking forward to see what you do with it. Maybe more Brabus parts. Looking for the driving at a 600 horsepower C63 rear wheel drive. That's going to be awesome.
And a small car.
Yes, and a smaller car. Yeah, that'll be awesome. Check out the full review of it. Thanks, Yusuf.
you.
Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching.